Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to see your download history on the Google Play Store. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Google Play Store app on your device. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Manage Apps and Device. Next, go to the Manage tab. Here, you will see a list of apps currently installed on your device. You can filter this list by different options, such as recently updated, last used, size, and name to organize your apps accordingly. If you want to see apps that are not currently installed but were downloaded in the past, tap the filter icon and select Not Installed. This will display apps you have previously downloaded using your Google account but are no longer on your device. You can also change the device linked to your account to see the app history of other devices associated with the same Google account. So that's basically how you can see your download history on the Google Play Store. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.